have created. Is this audible for every store managers?
Yes, audible.
Okay, okay. So, and we have created a task management system in the first floor, and we are just showing up the product for you for today, and we will show how it will work for store managers and employees, and we will show you the samples of the product and the flows, requests, employees, and all. And from today or by tomorrow, you can start the task management systems of Rootments. Okay. If you have any doubts or if you have any minor feedbacks on the product, you may let me know so we can able to we will be updating that according to your requirement. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to present this Rootmates login to you, and hopefully everyone are like store managers, right? Right.
Yes, store managers and ASMB then.
Okay, okay, okay. So some sense store managers. Okay, sure. இதை பார்த்துக்கோங்க. எனக்கு ஒரு காமிங்க, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் எப்படி டிஸ்பிளே ஆகுது. So do my screen is presenting to everyone? Hello?
Yes, yes, we
Yeah.
can see this.
Okay, okay. Store management. Store dashboard தானே அது நான் போக மாட்டேன் உங்களுக்கு நான். So actually, this is the login. So which is like rootments.in. So every store manager should go to the rootments.in, and once you go, you have login button, and you have to give your employee code and password. For now, I will log in with EMP 48, and default password we have set 123456, and I've logged in. Okay. So actually, uh, okay. So this is Salman, and is an store manager. So this is his login. Once everyone, இது work ஆகுதா? அது பண்ணு. Okay, okay, sure. So once you logged in, you have to go to the settings, and also so once you go to the store manager, I mean logged in, you go to the settings icon here, and you can go to the password section. And first, you should change your password from 123456 to the password which is more convenient to you. So this is Salman's password, and what we will do is we will just once the person Salman is logged in, he will change his password, and we can't able to see what he's doing. Okay. So then next, there is a my dashboard section. Here the task for the store managers will be appeared here. For example, to do in progress, old, and complete, all the four stages of this task will be task will be displayed here. So you can this task is been created by the higher authorities of your company, such as HR, cluster managers, area managers, operational head, and admins. They will directly create a task to you. So whatever task has been created by them will be showed to you as a store manager. Here you can create a task to your store employees, such as fashion designers, tailors, and etc. Other related employees of that particular store. So I will show you the first task. One of my other employee will be logging in as an HR, and he will be assigning to me, task போடுங்க. For example, is an Salman, and I will show you every part of the product to you. அது ஹெச்ஆருக்கெல்லாம் காமிக்க கூடாது. उसको இருக்காது login இருக்கும். அவங்க login பண்ணா வந்து போகணும். The patient is in the நான் சொல்றேன் வருமா? Okay.
Hi, Sharavana.
Yeah. So right now, yes, reverse.
Can you make it a bit faster because all of them are connected from the store under a
Okay,
busy
okay, okay. You can just give
schedule?
me 10
So,
minutes. That's it. I will complete it. Okay, just 10 minutes.
okay.
So, okay. For example, this Salman store manager, I've received like a task from Revati, who is an HR from the head office. This is a task received. So, ரெண்டு மூணு போட்டுருங்க இப்போ ரெண்டு மூணு வேறு task இதே person. So actually, example, we have like one task from Revati. So this is a task which has been assigned to do by the Revati to the Salman. So Salman have many tasks like this to do list. So what he can do is he can just drag and make it as an in progress, and if he's keeping this task as an hold, he can just drag to the whole section, or if he is completing, he can drag to the complete section. So whatever task, whatever the work will be assigned to the store managers will be updated here on the my dashboard section. For example, for store managers, there will be a store dashboard and my dashboard. This overview dashboard is not available for the store manager. It will be removed in shortly. So for store manager, there will be only store dashboard and my dashboard. For in my dashboard, there will be a multiple tasks generated by the higher people of this company, such as I have already said, store manager, cluster manager, any work created by that store managers, cluster area and HR will be displayed here. They can drag and they can post their status. This tracking system will be updated to the cluster and operational manager, admin, whoever the task has been created. They will be knowing the each stages of the product. This is the complete flow. And in store manager, you will be having similar status of your store employees. For example, if you go there in my store, we have generated like three tasks for Salman. From Revati has created in a three tasks for Salman. All the three tasks has been all the three tasks has been all three tasks has been displayed according to the flow. So Salman can drag and drop anywhere. So his work will be monitored by the I people. Likewise, this store manager can monitor their employees work. So for example, if he is a store manager, here is Salman. So Salman is a store manager. He has like around five employees. He can see all these five employees and the task below them. These are a duplicate task that we have been right now we have been added. So we will clear all the data. So this data will be removed. Check you can just check with the data, and you can just check with your employees work from your dashboard itself. From store manager, you can check your employees task and their category, so in which level. So already I said, for in my dashboard, you can see you can drag and drop all the status, right? You can drag and drop every status. Likewise, you can also see your employees work status here. Okay, so you can say this is Josh's work list. You can see what are this task has been kept in various level, like to-do list, how many tasks has been kept in progress, how many work is doing right now, how many tasks has been kept on hold, how many tasks has been completed. Everything will be, you can see from your dashboard itself. And you have like employee list, you can see all your employee list by year. And you have task list, where you can able to create a task to your employee. You can go to the task, you can add the task. And you can create a title of the task, like if you want to if you have any kind of an work, you can uh, update the work title. And there will be a category. This category will be updated by the HR shortly. She will update within few minutes, or by today or tomorrow. She will update work categories and subcategories. So everything will be there. For the store manager, here you can see everyone will be displayed here. So I mean, only their store sorry this store departments will only displayed here. Their store departments, they can select multiple people or single people. And they can assign the entire task descriptions, whatever they wanted to do, they can add here. And they can add any additional informations like links or anything they can add. And they can initiate start date and start time, and end date and end time. So they can able to add and start it, end it, and end time. They can keep it as a medium, high, and low priority. They can set the priority level. And they can add images as well. If you have any kind of an images or PDF anything, you can just add and you can just save. So once you're saving image, okay, image, image, okay, you can just add image. Yes, so we can go and save. Once you are saved, the task will be assigned to that particular person. And we can go and check the flow. For example, if you have create this is like completely flow based product. So if we have created a task for any one employee, we can drag the entire flow of that particular work. For example, Salman is created and work for someone. And if he is completed and is giving work to another person, that flow will be also shown here. So this flow also will be shown here. And next, there is a request, where we can have like leave request, transfer request, resignation request, and recruitment request. This all request will be gone to the higher authority. And there is an approval list. So for example, if any of your employees has been given like leave request, everything will be displayed here. There is a zero leave request here. So anyone is requested here, it will be shown here, where we can go and update the approved or rejected. So it will be notified for that particular employee. For example, we have created a leave for fashion design fever. So it will be updated like leave request for everyone. So likewise, there is a transfer, resignation, and recruit request. Every request will be primarily come to the store manager. The store manager will be in some cases, he has the rights to approve. And he can escalate to the higher authorities such as HR and all. So he can able to redirect to everyone. So for as of now, you will be having store dashboard, my dashboard, where you can see all the tasks of yours. And before that, the category will be updated by the store managers. So you can create a task, you can create a task to your store employees using task task list. And you can go and add the task here. And you can create a task list here. and their task will be updated using mobile app notification, where every employees will have the Rootments application for every employees. Once they've logged in, every task generated by the store manager or even higher authority, everything will be notified using notification, and they can do the same steps like my dashboard, how we will be dragging to do, in progress, hold and complete. They will be having dashboard there. They will be updating the status of the product on their basis. They don't have, employees don't have the rights to create the task. They can only update the work status, or they can create the task flow, which means if I am having an work, யாரோ ஒருத்தர் login பண்ணி காமிச்சிருங்க. So we will just log in mobile phone, and we will be showing that it only takes 2 to 3 minutes. Mobile account.
So this is an employee login which is named as Joshil. He has a task in a to-do list, and he can see his flow by clicking the card. So he can see the task flow, and by holding the card, he can move the task to the in progress or on hold or on to complete it. First, he move the task to the in progress, so it move to the in progress tab, and we can swipe, or we can click the tab on in progress. After that, we can drag the task and put it on the hold, and we can also see the task on hold. After that, he can drag the task to the completed, and while completed, he will get two pop-ups like this. First, he want to confirm that the task should be in the completed or not. So if we confirm, we have a pop-up like this. We will enter the task title, and we can assign the task to the next person who wants to uh, do the next process, and start time of the task and the end time of the task. And we can select the priority by and choose a file attachment if needed, and a task description. After that, if he creates the task will be redirected to the assigned person for the next flow.
Mute பண்ணிட்டேன். So actually, likewise, everyone will be having in a mobile application for all the users, for store managers, employees, or all the store employees and all. So once the task has been created, the person who is getting the task will be notified for them. So they will be having, as we said before, there is a four step. If we selecting the task, it will be they can drag and drop to the status. Once he is completing, he can assign to the next person, who the person who is going to do the next work of that particular task. For example, HR is giving, I mean, if store managers is giving some kind of work to me, I've completed, then I have to update to the store manager, or if I wanted to do escalate to the any other person, I can do using mobile app itself. It's not necessary for everyone to use that particular app. There is only the store manager can store every login as a web application logins, but for only store managers, we are providing the store dashboard, and for remaining all employees, we are only providing my dashboard only they can able to log in, and they can able to check their task, and they can able to change the status of the task, and they in mobile app itself, they can request for leaves, they can uh, so for example this so is an employee, so he can able to go and request for a leave request. He can go and request for a leave request. If the employee wanted to add for any leave request, he can go and add the leave request, and if he wanted to have any other request, he can able to do from his mobile itself. If it is rejected or if it is approved, uh, it will be directly notified to the employee. Completely it will be notified to the employee's mobile ID itself. So we have created everything, so we will be providing and overing shortly to the team. So if you have any doubts, you can directly connect us throughout HR for updation purposes and all. Right now we are quitting, and if you have any doubts on this, you can just uh, update your status with the HR, so we can able to provide you the further communication or further handovers. Hello.
Thank you for the meeting, sir. You can leave.